Well, hello everyone again. Hi there. We're back at it. Actually, we were at it yesterday, but we didn't film anything because I was intent on getting these motor mounts in. So, as you can see, please don't tell me how bad my welding is because I know it is. But both sides are actually done. Mounts are in, and I may lower one of them down. The motor's not quite level. So, but we're actually just in the process of getting ready to pull this thing out again. And I got to trim some more on the firewall. I may just knock it back. I'm not sure what I'm going to do once I get it apart. But I figured I would do an intro and kind of show you what we're doing. Like I said, yesterday was boring. It was just a matter of grinding, you know, this area here on the mount to fit it, you know, to get it to sit right, you know, which is no big deal. I mean, it's just something that you got to do. So yeah, you know what, let's pull the motor out of this thing. We're going to try to get the transmission on it and take the shifter off and get it inside the car and get rid of the factory mounts. Well, we're just going to unbolt them, take them off for now, and start to mock up the cross member. But I want to get the motor mounts exactly right. So let me bring you back in a little bit. Well, we got the big block hanging and we got the TKX connected to it. Now there is no clutch or anything in it. It's just here. This is all just for mock-up. But yeah, I had to move the driver's side motor mount a little bit because it wasn't level. If I put a level across it, the frame is level. So I had to raise that mount up just a little bit and get the degrees the same as the other side.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. So, but anyway, yeah, that's done. And now we're gonna put this all in here and see about the trans mount. So here we go. Hey guys, another day, Monday of Labor Day. So I didn't film anything yesterday because we were I was in a quandary, and I had an issue with trying to get the transmission and engine at least 3 degrees down. And where I had the mounts, they didn't seem to want to do that. So, and it was probably my fail all along. But thank God my buddy Kevin and Scotty came over yesterday. And the three of us together put our heads together. And we got it, man. We got it. We got it right. You can see right there. The engine's a 1/2 degree, and I can still finagle. It's not tight yet. So I was these motor mounts, for the inexperienced, they're a little tricky, to say the least. But we got it. The best I can do is 4 degrees down. I can't get 3 because the transmission will hit the floor, and we already dropped the engine down. I've got 1 inch of clearance right here, which I can actually take and knock this down a little bit too if I want, you know, just to gain a little clearance, but it's not really an issue. But, you know, just to feel better, I could do that. But yeah, we're at 4 degrees down, and the mounts are tacked in, the engine's in place. Today's project is to cut some old bracketry off of the frame and get the trans mount, or trans cross member mounts tacked in, and get that in place. And then the engine and transmission will actually be in the car by themselves. Right now there's a jack holding it up. So, but yeah, I mean, that's Man, I'll tell you what, I feel so much better today than I did yesterday. So yesterday was not a good day to film, but we are making progress. So follow along. I'll catch you up when I get underneath the car. Well, we got the cross member tacked in. Well, it's all tacked in here. I love this drive shaft loop on this cross member. That works out really nice. We got the hole cut for the shifter. So that's all in place. This is all got to get taken back apart again, but this is all welded and mocked up and put in here. So, yep, as we keep going, I'm just working on finishing welding the rocker, and a puppy is trying to be part of it, aren't you? Yeah, he is. So, hey buddy, what are you doing? So yeah, I'm just finishing up welding this rocker in and doing some other stuff, so that'll be in another video. So yeah, we're getting there.